chaps. We're on for a special video today. We're doing a gym vlog. Me and Jack Hogg, my best friend from the UK. You guys might have seen him on my Instagram. He's come over. He's going to be the head coach for Gorilla Performance, a one-to-one personal training brand underneath Gorilla Tribe. So today, we're going to be doing a legs and back workout. It's the hardest day of the week. And what I want to show you is how hard we train. I want to show you boys so you can see if you're pushing yourselves hard enough. Me and Jack have always said, we think we personally train harder than most people. Let us know in the comments, chaps. What do you think? Are we training hard enough? I think we are. I think you will be undeniably, absolutely amazed by us. I'm also going to show you how I refuel after this video, what food I'm eating after the gym. How do I pump these muscles up? How do I get that repair going? So, I'm looking forward to it, boys. I'm out of the office. I'm off the PowerPoint slides and I'm back in the real world. So I'll see you boys at the gym. In case you've never seen before, boys, this is the gym I train at. So if you ever want to find me, Koh Samui, you'll probably find me in here. Let's see if we can find it. There he is. Sorry I'm late, brother.
Sorry, mate.
I'm making a vlog. Yeah.
Boys.
There he is. This is Jack Hogg from England. Biggest, strongest guy I've ever known.
Back and leg session today.
What do you think, boys? Is he natural or unnatural? Because we'll be doing blood work soon. But I want to see what you boys think. Drop it in the comments. Pull-ups to start, to fail your pull-ups. This is a little hack you can have in Thailand. This is crack. Gym crack. You might have seen Joe Aesthetic using it in his videos. He lives in Pattaya, which is in Thailand as well. You get some of that in there.
Get some of that.
Give more in there. Come on. We've just competed with each other. Jack did 24, but unfortunately I didn't record it, so.
He didn't press record.
Yeah, he didn't actually beat me. He's going to have to do it again. Oh, go on, son. Let's go. 3, 4, good. 5. Jack's a lot heavier than me. 6. Go on, keep going. Get 10. Get 10. 7. Come on. 8. Good. Come on. 9. Yeah, let's get him up there. 10. Good man. Well, he's got 11. Good lad. Come on. Easy. Yeah. Sorry about that, Jack. Big old gorilla fingers. Forgot to press record on there. Boys, lat pull down. Let me check our reps on this. Yeah, keep your weights tracked, boys, as well. Get them in there. So this is our Tuesday, back and legs, 1 set max pull-ups. Today, last time I got 16. Today, I got 22. You got 24 on your first set. Then we got lat pull down, 65 kilos. So today we're gonna go for, let's go for 70. Obviously, that's a bit light for a lat pull down for most people. That's why we do the full set of max pull-ups, because as you can see, that goes 75 only.
Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on her up, I did this shit. Got this fine, hold no makeup, and she still in bad as shit. She in school, but it's cool, yeah, I still my lady.
Keep going, son. Good lad, good lad, good lad. Yes. Nicely done, sir. Very nicely done. between sets when we're training with a partner, we normally rest about 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for the other person's set to finish. I normally give it another 30 seconds on top of that, just to let them reload. Obviously, we're trying to get bigger here, boys, so we're going to be lifting as heavy as possible. There's no girls in the gym today at all, and I find that to be one of the best pre-workouts. Is just
Pre-workouts and testosterone booster.
just checking out the chicks and showing off, really. So, but that's pretty much a hack. Find the gym with the hottest girls. You're going to train harder. You're going to look better. You're going to get bigger. Or maybe that's one over there. I could have spotted a MILF just in there. Yeah, MILF spotted. This session's about to get interesting. Show the MILFs, Jack. That's our first day of the week split. So our Tuesday split, and then I believe on Thursday we train back again. Different split. We got our deadlifts in there. Some nice exercises for the rhomboids, middle of the back. But we're feeling deflated. We got legs to go. It's time for a power up. I don't do it often, but last night was a late one, 3 a.m, dropping the new course. So it's time for a Mario Super Boost and maybe a protein shake as well. It's always worrying when the owner of the gym comes up to you and asks why you're taking the pre-workout from the fridge. So last time I actually took this, I had some of the sickest pumps I've ever had in my life. I was super veiny. I don't know what's in this stuff. It was very good. Yeah, heart attack inbound. Mario power up. There's something evil in that. Time to go to the squat rack, son.
Fucking do it.
Let's do it. We're bringing you with us. Sniffables. Alright, we're over on the squat rack. This time, I can feel the pre coursing through my veins. It's my current hand holding ability. It's a fucking earthquake in here. If I throw up, it's good for the video anyway. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this up. Fucking hell. How many are you going for on this?
I'm going for strength, so I'm going to go 5 reps. But again, even if I hit 4, I'm happy. I'm aiming for 5 and I'm failing within that rep range.
How heavy is this?
It's 140 kilos. It's about normal for me, but a lack of carbs recently, a lot of late nights. I might struggle a bit.
Let's check it out. Yes, very nice. Come on. Let's go, Jack. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, son. Get it up. Good lad. Up you go. Up you go. Easy. He's a fucking strong motherfucker. I wouldn't risk that. I wouldn't have risked that.
With experience, you get to know what sort of reps. Oh, fucking sorry.
Fucking hell. I wouldn't have risked that last rep. I thought, fuck, I'm on the camera here, he's going under.
It's a pre-workout, baby.
Yeah, can you feel the tingles?
Yeah.
That's the beta-alanine, isn't it? Fun story, boys. I once took this stuff called beta-alanine. If you're a lifter, you probably know what it is. It's like this powder, but you're only meant to take a really small amount. I took like 10 grams beta-alanine. Never do that. It feels like there's ants crawling under your skin. You're trying to scratch them out, you can't fucking get them out. when you got them in a pre, it gives you the tingles. It's not too bad. You take too much of that stuff, you wish you'd never been born. Yes. Good boy.
You're my angel, you're the only sunshine in my life. Feels like heaven when you take me in your arms. You're my angel, you're the only
That's one, boys. It's been a long one. It's coming to an end. Final session. Leave it all on the table.
Make it as good as the last. First.
Make it better than the first.
Make it better.
Legs out. Oh no! My hurts. Oh, my hurts. Boys, that's us done. That's the back and legs workout from the Alpha Male program in the Gorilla Tribe. If you boys want to join, you want to be part of the clan, go check out the link in the description. You get the Triple Your Testosterone course, you get all my training programs, how I eat, supplement, super stat, what we use to boost our test. And you also get access to the Gorilla Tribe. So if you're interested, boys, links in the description. Jack, great workout. Thanks, brother. And I'll see you boys next time. Time for a quick dip in the pool and maybe a bit of sun, couple of steaks.
Couple of steaks.
Couple of
Get
steaks.
that protein in.
Get that vitamin D in, boost that testosterone. The cuts of meat that the butcher has got in the fridge today. Here we are. 2 of these. Butcher Pro. Unfortunately, these are not your grass-fed. These are grain-fed, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do when you're in Thailand. You can't always get the high-quality meats.
Still got the grass-fed butter though.
We've got grass-fed butter. We always cook with butter. We don't cook with seed oils. Then they will shrivel you up. They will make you tiny. They will make you into a woman. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, boys. We got some big content coming. I'm not even going to let you know what we're going to be doing, but we're going to be getting into trouble. That's all I'm going to say. All right, I'm going to jump in off the balcony and scare him. I set the camera up and I said I'm going to jump in off the balcony and scare him. But then you moved. Go back there and pretend to be scared. All right.
There's no towel down here, is there? No. I'll get the
Oh. Always fires directly into my brain when I do that.